We are in our guitar supplement book today, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope it's beautiful wherever you're at. It's a beautiful fall day here, but every day is a great day to learn to play the guitar. So we are in our supplement book, playing note by note, and we are playing Yankee Doodle today. And we are going to do just like we did in our other videos. We're going to play it at 40, 50, and 60 beats per minute. But this time I started to use a military drum beat. Since it's Yankee Doodle, it's a patriotic military song. So I thought this would be a great way to mix it up a little bit and give us that flavor with our playing. So we have a repeat. We're going to go ahead and play it 4 times at each beat. And we have just quarter notes and half notes. And we're in 4/4 time, so it's 4 beats in a measure. And we are playing this song on our 1st, 2nd, and 3rd string. So we're getting to where we're adding more and more strings, so we'll be playing more and more of the guitar. So let's do Yankee Doodle. Let's grab our beat. We're at 40. 2. That big beat, that's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me grab a sip of water here real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. Third time. Again. Okay, so that was at our slow beat of 40 beats per minute. So now we're going to bump it up to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so now let's bump it up to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Third time. Last time. Okay, so there you've got your 3 speeds. Get started with 40 beats a minute, and if that's all you feel like doing your first day, great. You could take a couple of days of really getting to know it at 40 beats, then take a couple of days to get to know it at 50 beats, and then move up to 60 beats, finish the week off, and finish strong. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. I liked it with that military beat. That gave us a little flavor that's different than that soft rock beat. And I think that I'm going to keep using my keyboard with its little drums to give our songs a little bit more flavor. And it's not just that steady metronome beat. It gives us a little bit of interest as we're playing along. So if you haven't heard me say it before, I have a new channel on YouTube. It's called Seedling Stories, and it's all original music. I've been writing songs for about 10 years, and I've started posting on there. So I hope you stop by that channel and let me know what you think of the different songs. And let me know in the comments below if there's anything I could touch on as far as these simple songs that may make it a little easier for you. So, and if you're interested in learning to play by color, let me know that too, and I will start making videos on how to play by color. So, every day is a gorgeous day to learn to play guitar. So, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.